we're on right now, but we'll get in position. All right.
Wait, oh, can you just edit this part out?
This is your water, yeah.
Wait, should I put this on?
All right, put this here.
Here we go.
Oh God. Hold on. Whoa, chill.
Everyone, we are doing chicken nuggets. Eric here has 20. Alan has 50. I have 50. I'm just going to finish these within reason as fast as possible. Alan and Eric are going to see who can finish theirs first. Right? Alan has 2.5 times as many nuggets as Eric does.
And I'm almost 2.5 times his age, so it kind of works out, but not really.
Here we go.
Ready?
So
50 pieces of nuggets, 50 pieces of nuggets, 20 pieces of nugget. We're gonna race. He's just gonna see if he can finish them. All right.
starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Uh-oh. Hot.
I like that zesty.
These are pretty good.
I'm so hungry.
I don't like the zesty.
We just hit the gym, so we got it. Whoa, slow down.
Eric came to play.
What's off?
No, your business.
Hiccups.
Buffalo.
Whoa, chill, bro. Chill. Slow down. He's already halfway done.
It's hot. Hot.
My jaw hurts. Bro, yeah, fix it. That's not your water either.
Did you not see it there?
Hot.
Oh, I got this in the bag. I got this in the bag.
Yeah.
How many I have when you finish? My jaw.
That pizza is gonna be real.
With the bread?
Done.
He finished. I lost.
Okay, what's
2,
done?
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25.
You only ate 5 more than me.
I feel like there's no way. What? I was stuffing in two at a time. Really?
Eric came to play.
What's the weight you're gonna be when you...
Really? Wow.
Hey,
Eric
Mom.
not running around.
What? I must be a slow eater. Man.
Yeah, I'm not very good at eating. I mean, faster compared to my normal eating speed is fast, but it's like see how fast you can put something down. I don't think that's what my strong suit is. Now drinking something, I can drink things quickly.
open the hatch when you just go like chug mode. It always surprised me when like you chug pop. Most bizarre thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm like,
I remember that.
the carbonation, like what? Oh, feeling the grease.
You're eating 2 at a time? I didn't like take bites, I just like popped it in my mouth.
Hey, you have 10 nuggets under the table. That was so hilarious. If he messed
Did
up.
you see in the video just eating one?
Yeah, just putting them in his pocket.
Oh. This is going to create a great neural association.
What does the buffalo sauce taste like?
Buffalo sauce.
Sweet
You
and
know,
sour.
also sweet and sour? That's the best sauce. Sweet and sour. I think that's
Nuggets.
I got 15 left. Let's do this. Cody has 17 left. Am I really that slow of an eater? I feel like I was going in, dude.
I've been keeping a pretty consistent taste though.
Oh, this is getting so gross, dude. I can just.
It tastes good on the last one.
Yeah, but you also only ate 20.
I beat you.
You did.
And you only have 5 and you're twice
But now
your
he's
age.
finishing 30 more.
Yeah, but like, if it was 20-20, he would have won by 5. Both had 20.
What does that have to do with his tasting gross stuff? Maybe I missed the original. Whatever. Never mind.
You beat me, Eric, fair and square.
So what's the regular?
I'll play a game of COD with
What?
you. Or not.
What?
That's fair.
Game of Madden.
At least you don't have to carry me in COD.
How about Game of Madden?
No.
I won. I should be able to choose.
Talk to me after you've served your 5 hours.
Oh! Wait. 4.5. You did your half hour and it was good.
Dude, how are you feeling right now?
Kind of like,
I feel like I
Shit.
just drank a full cup worth of oil.
what time is it?
It's good. Oh, the time was
10:21. So we're 8 minutes in.
Can I have a chicken nugget?
I gotta finish, bro.
Alright, you remind me of an anime character.
I like chicken.
You remind me so much. Like I feel like I can make you an anime character if I had the artistic ability.
You know, I watched a lot of food eating videos yesterday. And after eating these, like, I was watching last night and it looked so appealing. But then, like, when push comes to shove, dude, I had a realization where Cody's beating you. Somehow, some way. Just don't throw up.
ever seen Frank Yang? He lifts weights and he makes really creative videos.
It's a secret one at a time. Is that a secret?
Oh,
Alright, slow down.
I eat it. Oh, was that one left? Was that one left? He's on fixed first.
go for it.
Nope, I don't want to throw it. I could have shoved that one in my mouth, but it would have came right back out.
I'm trying to get some honey mustard and barbecue. Well, it's a lot of nuggets.
Official
What's the time?
champion.
Time right now, 10 minutes and 13 seconds.
10:13, synchronicity.
Professional winner.
So Cody wasn't even in the race, but he finished at the same time that I did. Competitive eating, sign me up. Just kidding.
Granted, I was eating, because I was trying to eat comfortably fast. But I also eat comfortably fast normally. So keeping a constant pace, that I'm good at. As far as like the whole, like Furious Pete style, where he puts down like a Chipotle burrito in about 18 seconds.
Yeah.
That's not my,
I tried going for that, but like,
I don't have the throat for it. I can't put that, it doesn't fit. It won't happen. I got should.
you don't want to choke halfway through it. Yeah. Well, 50 nugget challenge. It got pretty bad halfway through, especially when you like focus on how bad it is, like focus on like grease in your stomach. But now, like after giving myself a break, like I feel like I could hit that 100 mark. I feel like I can do it. I feel like I can do
That'd
100
be just that
chicken.
40 mark. I can't.
What
The
about
problem
you,
is
Cody?
if we were gonna hit 100, we'd have to maintain it, because like in about 5 minutes we're gonna get way fuller.
Yes.
You know.
But like I feel like if we're going at this pace right now, we could probably do it. I'm not gonna do it right now.
Yeah. I would
But-
feel absolutely terrible, but yes, could do it.
So 50. Oh, 100 nuggets. I thought I did 70.
So twice as much. America.
I think I can do 80 nuggets.
Yep.
Well, you guys know you want to do the outro, Eric? Thank you guys so much for watching. This was our 120 nugget challenge. Give us a thumbs up.
Stay tuned on 96.4 The Hack.
All right, so I lost. I got to play Eric in a game of Call of Duty so he can carry me. 12-1 in search.
Oh,
I go 20 and 1 in suit.
Hey, that one game,
Yeah.
that one game. Scoreboard.
Scoreboard.
Scoreboard. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and mention in the comment section below if you guys want to see any other videos.
hey, comment if you guys would like to see the Taki Fuego challenge. That is a family-sized bag of Taki Fuego. The three of us can compete, and there may be $50 on that. Let us know.
Eric, you paying up?
My
Alright.
shoes are worth $50.
Dude.
All right. Let's go run a mile.
Maybe like half a mile. That was not as bad. It did get bad.
I know I'm
But now like,
Yeah, as far as assessing how full I am, I'm not painfully full right now, which I expected.
I'm gonna go eat dinner.
no, you're not.
I just
had
eat
dinner.
nothing.
Eat, bro.
You just ate a week's
You
worth
just
of.
ate like 600, 800 calories, bro. You know. Mission success.
The fact that they are nuggets.
I think it's the worst part of that. Yeah. Deep fried and God knows what.
Of course, you know what? When I was watching the Meaning, it didn't look like it would be very easy, at least compared to other pizzas, because they hand roll, like hand do the dough and they put the sauce on there and the cheese. So I guess it comes down to how much oil and fat is in the cheese.
Which is the bulk.